Where's the price of Bitcoin versus dollar going? Join me and let's find out together. This is a 3-day chart, every candle 3 days. First of all, I want to draw, as always, a line. First, let me zoom in to the 2 days happenings so that we can get a clearer picture of what's going on. If you are a subscriber or the usual viewer of mine, then you know that we like to draw lines, and this is the one we respect the most at the moment, and the simple reason is here. After this move started, here we confirmed the uptrend. Here we broke it. And now, let's figure it out. Yep, this is a problem. Of course, I talk in every video the same thing, but you can see that those things are proven true, because what was once a big support, hard support, now is a pretty big resistance. And exactly as respected by just one line, you can see what is happening. We are getting rejected, and those wicks are showing you exactly that. Support, resistance. So what is the narrative? I think downside retracement. Not a bearish move to kill all of this move. No. Just a simple healthy retracement to these areas of around $25,000. So my first expectation is this. What will happen after that? We will see. For now, this is what's coming. Of course, we can negate this and go from these levels of 26,991 to the upper grounds, but for now, you should be healthy in the head and expect a pullback. Nothing bad, everything good. Okay, this was a trend line. Let's do a channel. Something like that. And yes, again, something we discussed many times. Let's make it even bigger. Here the uptrend started. Resistance point number 1, resistance point number 2. For now, this is the one that we're gonna talk about. Big retracement, but just here to the region where we established the channel. After this move, we came here, tried to get out of the channel, but no. The channel said right back in, and based on this price action, you can see that for now, there is no strength to go out of this channel, so we will travel inside of it for some time. What should be your expectation? First of all, one more time, a revisit of $25,000. Nothing bad. You can see that this is a pretty important point. So let's travel to that middle line of the channel, like here, find $25,000, something along these lines. So that could be realized in the next few days, in let's say first week of the next month of April of 2023. Since then, and at that point, we may see a reaction like this. You can see that this was a pretty important reaction because we continue the upside trajectory. So do you expect nothing more or less than this? You should expect a move to the upper grounds, yes. I think this could be the narrative, but that is not important for now. For now, it's up to you and me to expect a retracement. The price is, well, pretty tired based on this move. What I want to say is that we need to see how will the price react when we get to that region of $25,000. Because at that point, the future price direction will be realized. If we can't hold this middle line of the channel, then we got some problems. And we're going to revisit what logic lies. Here, a support line one more time. The region I'm talking about is $22,000. And you can see, and if you are watching this video, you know why I'm thinking about $22,000. You will see in the next indicators how this is important. So let's dive into the Fibonacci, okay? All of this move from the high of 2021 will be applied one more time and see what's going on. something like this. Okay, so we took the entire bear market move from the highs to the bottoms. Let's one more time zoom in. And just talk about what's happening. This is nothing that we haven't figured out or talked about in the previous videos. We are at the very crucial point. $38.2% of the retracement from those highs, $27,500. And for now, look at those wicks. All of this area and those wicks are telling you that yes, this is a firm resistance, and for some time it could be that, a resistance. If, according to Fibonacci, this cannot hold, and at this moment it's not holding, we are going to 22,155. This is a Fibonacci analysis from those 38.2 to the next level that is below it, and that is 23.6%. It's just the natural movement of the price. Is this crushing the bull narrative? Absolutely not. We are still in a bull narrative. Even if we go to 25, even if we go to 22, nothing will change. Bitcoin is still bullish. And I'm not talking still about the real bull. Some months will pass until we get to that point that you are waiting for. But a little cattle that is just getting born and establishing its legs, let's say. Now there is a point in saying that at every video we are talking about the same thing, because we practically do. But it's so important that I'm not sorry for that. The band, supportive or resisting band of 55 MA and exponential moving average, telling you everything that you need to know. Big resistance, FTX collapse, another big resistance. Yep, let's not forget about this. And since the breakout to the upside, this is the start of inception of the new bull. Let's zoom in. This is looking really, really nice, right? Look how the supportive band did the job. It's supporting the price. This is moving average. At this moment, it's giving us exactly what we need. Support. Look at that wick touching exactly at that moment $19,600. But this band should be the one thing that you are thinking about. Now, if you don't want to listen to anything I said today, listen about this. Let me zoom in so that it becomes clear and clearer and clearer. The zone between $22,000 and $20,000 should provide us a big support in the coming weeks. If we break it and go to the downside, then we have a problem, absolutely. But if we fall, let's say, in a scenario like this, 25, 20, hold support, and then continue to the upside, it's all good. This is what we are waiting for. Now this is a dynamic support, and those lines will be higher at that point. You're getting the drift. You're catching what I'm saying, right? As long as we are above this band, you're good if you are positioned in Bitcoin. And if you are not, what are we waiting for, man? Okay, oscillators, I got one for you. Let's do it. We talked about this in the previous video. It's RSI Relative Strength Index. My period is 13, not default 14, but it's giving the same picture. For those of you that are not watching regularly my videos, well, let's zoom in like this and show you the big picture and practically everything you need to know for now. Are we good? Yes, we are. Why? because we are in an uptrend of strength. Relative strength is going up, and we are not breaking this upward sloping line of support. Here it was summer of 2022, this uptrend started. Here we established it a few days ago. We just retested this. This was an excellent entry point for those of you that were able to read it. I'm talking about this dip. So was this a good buying opportunity? Well, absolutely. It's always easy to say what's a good buying opportunity after it happened, right? Well, for now, I would say that as long as we are above this line, it's all good. The only thing that's giving me that narrative of retracement is this price going higher. RSI, the strength of it is going lower. So for now, we could see some more consolidating price action in Bitcoin, and that is nothing to worry about. Remember what I said, nothing to worry about. I got you points that are important. If we don't break them, it's all good. For now, Bitcoin is doing exactly what it should be doing, and until things change, you should remain bullish.